Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of Slack. You click on settings, sorry, not here. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.